Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the incredible phenomena scattered across our universe? Beyond the stars we see with the naked eye lies a realm of breathtaking intergalactic wonders, from galaxies colliding in cosmic dances to black holes so powerful they defy imagination. Join us as we journey through 7 of the most awe-inspiring sights our universe has to offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The Andromeda Galaxy, a cosmic neighbor. The Andromeda Galaxy is one of the most spectacular sights in our night sky, not just because of its beauty, but also because it holds a glimpse of our future. Andromeda, located about 2.5 million light-years away, is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way. It's enormous, stretching over 220,000 light-years across, and contains an estimated 1 trillion stars. What makes Andromeda even more fascinating is its impending collision with our own galaxy. Yes, in about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will merge in a cosmic dance that will forever reshape their structures. This galactic wonder is a favorite for stargazers and astronomers alike. With just a pair of binoculars or a small telescope, you can spot this faint, elongated smudge in the night sky. What you're seeing is the combined light of billions of stars shining across unimaginable distances. The Andromeda Galaxy is a reminder of the vast scale of the universe and the intricate gravitational forces that shape it. The collision of Andromeda and the Milky Way isn't something to fear. It's more like a cosmic rebirth. Stars within each galaxy are so spread out that direct collisions between them will be rare. Instead, the gravitational interactions will create a new, larger galaxy, likely an elliptical one. This merging process is a natural part of galactic evolution and has occurred countless times throughout the universe. Exploring Andromeda through telescopes or astrophotography gives us a glimpse of what our galaxy might look like from the outside. It's like looking into a cosmic mirror, offering both a sense of connection and an appreciation for the incredible forces that govern the universe. The Pillars of Creation, a stellar nursery. Deep within the Eagle Nebula lies one of the most iconic celestial structures ever photographed, the Pillars of Creation. These towering columns of gas and dust stretch several light-years in height and are located about 6,500 light-years away in the constellation Serpens. Captured by the Hubble Space Telescope, the Pillars of Creation is an active star-forming region, a place where new stars are born from collapsing clouds of hydrogen and other elements. What makes the pillars so captivating isn't just their stunning appearance but their role in cosmic evolution. These structures are composed of dense molecular clouds that act as cradles for young stars. As gravity pulls material together, the pressure and temperature within the pillars increase, eventually igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to new stars. Some of these stars will shine for millions or even billions of years, contributing to the galaxy's luminous tapestry. Interestingly, the creation in the Pillars of Creation may already be over. Light from this region takes thousands of years to reach us, meaning we're seeing the pillars as they appeared millennia ago. A supernova explosion may have already destroyed these iconic formations, but their image remains a time capsule of the universe's creativity. Observing the Pillars of Creation provides a rare glimpse into the life cycle of stars. The Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes continue to reveal more details about this region, allowing us to understand how stars form and evolve. It's a powerful reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Sagittarius A*, the Milky Way's supermassive black hole. Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way, is one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. It's located about 27,000 light-years from Earth in the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. With a mass roughly 4 million times that of the Sun, it's the invisible anchor holding our galaxy together. Despite being shrouded by gas and dust, its presence is undeniable due to its gravitational influence on nearby stars and matter. What makes Sagittarius A* so captivating is how it impacts the stars orbiting close to it. Scientists have observed stars whipping around this black hole at staggering speeds, providing direct evidence of its immense gravity. One star, known as S2, takes just 16 years to complete its orbit, an astonishingly short time for something so far from Earth. These observations have given astronomers invaluable data about the extreme conditions near black holes and have confirmed key aspects of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Recently, we've been able to see Sagittarius A** like never before. Thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope, astronomers captured the first-ever image of this black hole in 2022. The glowing ring of superheated gas surrounding the dark shadow of the event horizon was a groundbreaking moment in astronomy. This marked a major leap in our understanding of black holes, and showcased the incredible collaboration and technology it takes to observe something so distant and mysterious. Studying Sagittarius A** is like peeking into the heart of our galaxy's story. It's not just a destructive force, it plays a vital role in maintaining the Milky Way's structure. The research surrounding this supermassive black hole is unlocking answers to some of the biggest questions about the universe, like how galaxies evolve and how matter behaves under extreme gravity. It's a reminder of just how small we are, and how much there is to learn in the vastness of space. The Sombrero Galaxy, a masterpiece in the sky. The Sombrero Galaxy, or Messier 104, is one of the most stunning galaxies ever observed. Located 31 million light-years away in the Virgo constellation, it gets its name from its unique appearance, which resembles a sombrero hat. This edge-on spiral galaxy is defined by a bright central bulge surrounded by a large flat ring of dust and gas, giving it a striking and iconic profile. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Sombrero Galaxy is its size and luminosity. Its central bulge contains billions of stars, many of which are old and red, contributing to its brilliance. Surrounding this core is a disk of younger, hotter stars, along with dark lanes of dust that provide dramatic contrast. Scientists believe the Sombrero Galaxy may also harbor a supermassive black hole at its core, with a mass estimated to be 1 billion times that of the Sun. Despite its distance from Earth, the Sombrero Galaxy is surprisingly bright and can be spotted with amateur telescopes under dark skies. It's a favorite target for astrophotographers, whose images reveal the incredible details of its structure. The interplay of light and shadow within the galaxy is a testament to the intricate beauty of cosmic architecture. The Sombrero Galaxy isn't just a visual marvel, it's also a scientific wonder. Its unique combination of features, including its massive core and extensive halo of globular clusters, challenges our understanding of galactic evolution. Studying this galaxy helps us piece together the story of how galaxies grow and interact with their environments. The cosmic web. The universe's grand structure. The universe isn't just a random scattering of galaxies and stars, it's a highly organized structure known as the cosmic web. Stretching across billions of light-years, the cosmic web is composed of vast filaments of dark matter and gas that connect clusters of galaxies. These filaments form a network of interconnected nodes, while vast voids of empty space lie in between. The cosmic web is one of the most awe-inspiring discoveries in modern astronomy. It reveals the large-scale structure of the universe, and how matter is distributed on a grand scale. The filaments are formed by the gravitational pull of dark matter, which acts as a cosmic scaffolding that guides the movement of galaxies. Advanced simulations and observations, such as those from the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, have mapped out the cosmic web in incredible detail. These maps show how galaxies are not evenly spread but rather clustered along these filaments, creating a beautiful and intricate tapestry. It's a cosmic reminder that even the universe operates with a sense of order and design. The study of the cosmic web is crucial for understanding the evolution of the universe. By examining its structure, scientists can learn more about the role of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious forces that dominate the cosmos. It's a humbling and fascinating perspective on the interconnectedness of everything in existence. The Great Red Spot, a storm for the ages. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is one of the most famous and enduring features in our solar system. This massive storm, larger than the entire Earth, has been raging for at least 350 years, making it a truly timeless wonder. Located in Jupiter's southern hemisphere, the Great Red Spot is a high-pressure system with winds reaching speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. What makes this storm so extraordinary is its longevity. Most storms on Earth last days or weeks, but the Great Red Spot has persisted for centuries, fueled by Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere and rapid rotation. The storm's reddish hue is thought to be caused by chemical reactions between the planet's gases, though its exact composition remains a mystery. The Great Red Spot also provides valuable insights into the dynamics of planetary atmospheres. By studying its behavior, scientists can better understand the mechanics of weather systems, not just on Jupiter but on other planets including Earth. Observations from spacecraft like Juno have revealed intricate details about the storm's structure, including its depth, which extends hundreds of miles into Jupiter's atmosphere. Despite its resilience, the Great Red Spot is shrinking. In recent decades it has become noticeably smaller and rounder, raising questions about its future. Will it fade away, or will it continue to surprise us with its persistence? Either way, the Great Red Spot remains a powerful symbol of the planet's dynamic nature and the enduring mysteries of our solar system. The Tarantula Nebula, a stellar laboratory. The Tarantula Nebula, located in the Large Magellanic Cloud about 160,000 light-years away, is the largest and most active star-forming region in our local group of galaxies. This sprawling nebula gets its name from its spider-like appearance, with filaments of gas and dust stretching outward in every direction. It's a cosmic powerhouse where stars are born in clusters, lighting up the surrounding clouds with their brilliance. At the heart of the Tarantula Nebula lies a cluster of massive young stars known as R136. These stars are some of the most luminous and massive ever discovered, emitting intense radiation that shapes the nebula's structure. The energy from these stars creates shockwaves that trigger further star formation, fueling a cycle of creation and destruction. The Tarantula Nebula is also home to some fascinating phenomena, including supernova remnants and regions of intense stellar winds. It's a laboratory for studying how stars evolve and interact with their environments. The nebula's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal target for telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes, which have captured stunning images of its intricate details. Exploring the Tarantula Nebula gives us a front-row seat to the processes that drive cosmic evolution. It's a reminder of the incredible energy and creativity at work in the universe, constantly shaping and reshaping the stars and galaxies we see. That's our journey through 7 incredible wonders of intergalactic space, each a breathtaking example of the universe's beauty and complexity. From massive galaxies to cosmic storms, these wonders remind us of the limitless possibilities that exist beyond our world. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the universe's wonders with us.